Hey guys, how's it going? Webhub Sisanti here, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about a few things that you should definitely not share on LinkedIn, right? Uh, I mean, I've seen people doing this. Either it doesn't work in a few cases, or number two, it just goes the other way around. Before, like, without me beating around the bush, let me quick right into topic. First one, no external links, no YouTube links, no Vimeo links, no links of your blog posts, sorry. No links, no external links directly shared on LinkedIn. If you really want to share external links, I've already told you what to do. Write a small write up about the post, link them in the comment, or copy the link of the comment and put it on the post in the worst case scenario. But no direct sharing of link, please. Reason, I've already told you this. LinkedIn kills the reach, and it just makes no sense for you to do something like that when you already know for a fact that it doesn't work, right? So, no sharing of links. First one, no external links. Internal links, links of LinkedIn, still fine. No external ones. Number two, I've already told you this again, but this is super duper important. Don't blatantly copy others' stories or others' posts. Again, if someone is sharing something generic, you take a spin, you take it, you spin it, you put it, it's fine. Let's say someone is talking about determination, empathy, hard work, things like that. You take that content, spin it around and sharing it, it's fine. But let's say I'm talking about my story on how I became a marketing manager in the age of 23. Now, if you take that and post it, it just makes no sense. Just because it got 1,000 likes, that doesn't mean that you're gonna post it right there. Like, it's your personal story. It's someone else's personal story. It can't be yours, right? A friend of mine, Abhilash, basically posted us Abhash actually. Abhash, if you're seeing this video, hi, right? Actually, posted a story about how in their office people work from 1 to 8. A person actually literally copied and pasted it because he got a lot of likes and comments. I was like, man, you are not supposed to do that. It is just gonna hamper your value. Don't do that. Never do that. Right? It's not really hard to come up with content, guys. Come on. If you don't have it, I've already told you what to do. Share videos, share stuff which is more multi niche, more wide focused. Don't share things which is not yours. Yes, no one can do anything about it, but just don't do that. All right, we're cool about this. Next one is every piece of content should be more than 3 lines, nothing under 2 lines. I've told you again why, because you need to have that see more button, because it's very, very, very important. It actually helps a lot to increase your LinkedIn reach. So make sure none of your articles are less than 2 lines. Now, here's a serious one. I've done this mistake. That's why I'm telling you. No political views. You don't want LinkedIn to be a place where people are fighting or people are disfollowing you or blocking you because of your political views. Let me give you an example. I actually shared something around India and Pakistan. You know, India and Pakistan, two countries, are always at war. Not literally a war, but like the countries politically hate each other, but not the people. Like, I have a lot of Pakistani friends, but we countries get proud when when, let's say, like, there was a surgical strike by India on the Pakistan terrorist groups, and I proudly wanted to share it on LinkedIn. But guess what? A Pakistani friend of mine actually commented saying that, hey man, I understand you're proud about it, but this defames my country. That is not my mistake, and I follow you on LinkedIn because I like you and I like the content that you share, but this is not okay. I ended up deleting the video and the post, and I said him sorry. Now that is what the problem is. You cannot go political on LinkedIn, because that actually, not just on LinkedIn, on any business platform, because your business could be from anywhere, irrespective of what the other person likes. For example, the business your prospect could be a Trump fan, a Trump loyalist. That doesn't mean if you don't like Trump, and if you start sharing content about not liking Trump on your LinkedIn, that guy can never become your client, because he would hate you for not liking Trump, right? Political views out of the question. Now the final one, guys. LinkedIn is not Facebook. LinkedIn is not Facebook. Don't do stuff that you do on Facebook or on Instagram. Don't share 5 pictures of your vacation on LinkedIn. Yes, you can have one picture of your vacation and have a nice story on why breaks are important. Again, there's a way to model content for LinkedIn, right? Any picture can go on LinkedIn, which was on Instagram or a Facebook, but you have to model it for LinkedIn. If you're taking a break, tell them what you did in the break that actually inspired you. Things like that. You can't share a picture of you sitting on the beach, having grabbing a beer and say, "Oh, chilling on the weekend." You can't do that. This is not Facebook, right? Model everything for LinkedIn and share it, because this is a place for serious business. And if you fuck around, I'm sorry to use this, if you screw up, you are basically losing business. Well, this is a quick one that I wanted to talk about. Just have it back of your mind. When you're posting something, just think about the thing that should you be sharing something like this on LinkedIn? You would know the answer. I'll see you on the next one.